we just go like with the same pace every year, right? So chapter 5 is always the one that gets broken into two. And then it's usually like around here. So we usually like either cover like anywhere between 3 to 5 sections from chapter 5. Okay, so let's go to 5.3. In this section, we're going to talk about polynomial functions, right? And polynomial expressions are in standard form when the degrees are arranged in decreasing order. So for example, x to the power of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. Okay, so the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the term with the largest degree. And oh my goodness, and the degree of the polynomial is just the highest exponent, right? Okay. So here, what's the degree of this one? Highest exponent, 6. And the leading coefficient, it's the coefficient of that term, so it's a 5. All right? Okay. So function notation. We did this in chapter 1. And at that point, some people were like totally cool with it and we're ready to move on. And some people were like, oh my God, this is the hardest thing ever. So we're going to go over it one last time. Okay? Right. So here we have f of x. And what you want is now f of 3b minus 1. So in going from f of x to f of 3b minus 1, what happened? All of the x's got switched for 3b minus 1s. So here, wherever you see an x, right, that's here, here, you're going to substitute 3b minus 1. So it's going to be negative 2, 3b minus 1 squared, minus 3, 3b minus 1, plus 4. Okay? And then you're going to multiply this out. So negative 2 times, when I square this, I square the first term and I get 9b squared. I want you guys to be quick with the shortcut. I square the last term, I get plus 1. The middle term has to be the exponent 2 times negative 1 times 3b. So negative 6b. And I know you can just write 3b minus 1, 3b minus 1, square it. I mean, multiply it out. I know you can do that, but I need you to be much quicker with this, right? Because that's what we do in honors. And then distributing this, minus 9b plus 3 plus 4. Okay, now distribute the negative 2, so negative 18b squared plus 12b minus 2 minus 9b plus 3 plus 4. So finally, that's negative 18b squared, positive 3b plus 5. And we have to simplify it all the way. And now that we learned standard form of polynomial equations, you're going to put it in standard form with decreasing exponents. Okay, what I was seeing before on the tests and quizzes, like in chapter 1 and 2, is, things are being jumbled up here. We're not sure what to square. We're not sure when to multiply in the negative 2 and so on. So, and the biggest mistake I see is here. Students say that's 9b squared plus 1, but it's not. It's 3 terms, okay? All right. How about this one? 2 f of 3x minus 5 f of x plus 1. Okay, that's just a mess of things, right? So we're going to do this piece by piece. First, we're going to do f of 3x, right? So f of 3x is negative 2, 3x squared minus 3, 3x plus 4. Okay, where I'm just doing this, f of 3x. What's f of x? It's this one, right? So I'm putting 3x, I'm just f of 3x, not the